The worst thing that you can have as a homeowner, you look outside your house and you see extreme weather. Nature happens, right? So we want to make sure that every single potential vulnerable part of the roof is covered.
I'm Mark Zainel. I'm with IBHS. I'm the Senior Roofing Specialist, and I'm here at the ICO booth doing demonstrations, showing how the Fortify program works.
We're here to help promote these programs, and we're excited.
We wanted to see what new things they have to offer, but also because we wanted to thank for the good material they provide us every time.
One of the most vulnerable areas on the roof, which is that area down here by the eave and the fascia board. Water loves that gap, so what we're going to use is a product we have called Gold Seam.
I'm delighted that ICO has created this Gold Seam tape. It's really the missing link. Someday everybody will have flashing tapes like this, and I'd like to say that ICO is probably several years ahead.
Innovation is extremely important to us at ICO. We wanted to come up with something new and something that is, in our opinion, better. Edge Seal is a double-sided peel and stick roof starter.
With the Edge Seal, what I saw was something that would speed up application process for us. It makes a cleaner job, it makes a faster job, and it gives us a lot of security with what we do.
We'll invite anyone here who thinks they're stronger than I am to come up afterwards and try to pull the shingle off the roof. Who's going to try to pull it off? Come on.
We've been working with ICO for 3 years. Some of the projects that we always had issues with wind on, we've switched to the Dynasty and we no longer have those issues.
We enjoy the performance, especially during our install. We don't find very much granular loss at all. Other companies, we do see that quite a bit.
We've used several different manufacturers, and with IKO, it's, I don't know, we just run into less problems. Like I said, the consistency is key.
Customers looking for good prices, good materials, good colors. You guys involve all of those characteristics.
A lot of what we see out in the market, our competitors do not build roof systems to this quality.
Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the IRE.